again. So we are going to be decomposing or breaking apart our rectangular arrays that we created with square tiles. So here I have my array, and I'm going to count how many rows I have. So I'm going to go across because rows go across. So I have one row of 5, a second row of 5, a third row of 5, and a fourth row of 5. So I have 4 rows of 5, which is going to give me 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. So I have 20 tiles total. Now let's take a look at the columns. So remember that columns go up and down. So I have 1 column of 4, 2 columns of 4, 3 columns of 4, 4 columns of 4, and 5 columns of 4. Now, that's going to give me 20 as well, because 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So I have a total of 20 tiles. So now I'm going to break apart or decompose my rectangular array with a total of 20. So I know that half of 20 is 10. So I'm going to cut this array right in half. So let me erase. And here I'm just going to draw a line right through. And now I'm going to take a look at my rows. So I only have 2 rows of 5. And that's going to give me 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. And up here, I still have 5 columns, but now I only have 2 tiles in each column. And that's also going to give me 10 because 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. And if we look down here, this would be the same because we have 2 rows of 5, which we know is 10, and we have 5 columns with 2 in each, which we also know is 10. Okay, so now that I've showed you how we can decompose or break apart an array, I want to show you what would happen if we wanted to create a new array from an existing array. So I'm going to go ahead and delete one row here. And now that's going to give me 3 rows of 5 in each. 5, 5, and 5, which is going to give me 15. And it's going to give me 5 columns of 3 in each. 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3, which is going to give me 15 because I took out 1 row of 5. So if I added 5 back to this, I would have a total of 20. Now let's try one more. So let's say I now eliminate or delete 1 column. What am I going to be left with? So let's take a look. So I'm going to take out this first column. Now I still have 3 rows, but I only have 4 in each row. 4, 4, and 4, which is going to give me 4, 8, 12. And let's take a look at my columns. I have 3, 3, 3, and 3, which is also going to give me 12 because 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Happy math!